you going? I am going to school. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Who are you helping? I am helping my friend. What are you cooking? I am cooking pasta. What is this? This is a doll. What are you eating? I am eating cake. Are you washing your hands? Yes, I am washing my hands. Can you write your name? Yes, I can write my name. What are you packing? I am packing my bag. Are you cleaning the house? Yes, I am cleaning the house. Are you brushing your teeth? Yes, I am brushing my teeth. Are you watering the plants? Yes, I am watering the plants. What are you making? I am making my bed. What are you planting? I am planting flowers. Are you watching TV? Yes, I am watching cartoons. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim in the pool. Are you laughing? Yes, I am laughing at the joke. Are you singing? Yes, I am singing a song. Are you okay? I am fine. Are you playing soccer? Yes, I am playing soccer. Can you read this book? Yes, I can read this book.